A 57-year-old woman was seriously injured this morning after her car left the road and struck a tree along Commons Boulevard. The crash occurred just before 9 o'clock near the intersection of Airport Road. Police say the woman was driving on Commons Boulevard when she lost control of the car and crossed over the median before striking the tree. She was transported to Christiana Hospital in serious condition. A preliminary investigation indicates there may have been an equipment malfunction with her car. The accident is still under investigation and no charges have been filed. For Delaware Online, I'm Kristen Moses.